My name is Ben Whitney, and we hired Apex Management to help us restore our floor at our loft in downtown Minneapolis along the riverfront. Our floor was damaged by construction done in a neighboring unit where they used jackhammers when they shouldn't have, and they cracked our floor quite badly. Well, this was an old building. It was a North Star blanket building, and so when they renovated it, they put they poured a new concrete floor, and it was really, really well done. And every concrete person who came said it was an extraordinary job of work. And so it was a tremendous challenge of trying to find someone and a company that could actually replicate the work had been done. The bulk of the work was, of course, restoring the concrete. Concrete it's not like fixing a wood floor. It's much more complex than that, and trying to restore what was a very creative, artistic work. So that was really the heart of it. But there was a work around the doors and the trim and preparing for that work to be done. So Apex was the general contractor for all that, and work with our insurance company to get the claim paid. This affected the bottom floor of our loft, and that had to be, we had to move everything out, and that, of course, we had to move on one of the days that it was 30 below zero, and everything about it was complicated. And getting we have a kind of a unique access because we're actually on the street level, and that created complications as well for everybody. So it wasn't an ordinary project, and that's why I really appreciate Apex had the flexibility and the professionalism to handle a lot of strange and peculiar circumstances to get this done. One of the things that JB has done is put together a set of processes. Years ago, I was a contractor myself, and making sure things are on schedule and everything is disclosed to the client, and it's handled in a way that is both well done and easier to manage. And I think Apex accomplished that. And so I would recommend Apex to my friends and anybody else that needed a very good general contractor.